Okay, welcome back. This is Project 5, and what we're going to do is use GeoGebra to show how to circumscribe a triangle. Alright, so we're going to draw a circle around a triangle that passes through all three of the points. So the first thing that I want to do is get rid of the axis. We're doing this the way that we would with a straight edge and a compass, so there's not going to be any measurements, so we can get rid of the axis and just start with a blank slate. Okay. So our first step, of course, is just to draw a random triangle. So we'll select polygon, and it's not going to be regular, and we'll just randomly hit 3 points on our screen, and of course go back to the first point to draw our triangle. Okay. Now in order to circumscribe a triangle, what we have to do is create two perpendicular bisectors. Okay. In this case, to create a perpendicular bisector, what we want to do is we want to have an arc that is where the radius is a little bit longer than half of one of the sides. So let's say, just by looking at A and C, I want something that's probably about that long. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is create a segment. And I'm just going to create this segment. In fact, let's just do it down here. Something that's going to be a little bit more than half of AC. And what that's going to be is the radius of the arc that we use to create our perpendicular bisector. But then I also want to make one for doing AB. Okay, if you can see that. And there we go. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and create a circle. If I go to the circle tool and select a compass, okay, with the compass what you do, if you look at the little note, is select a segment or 2 points for radius and then a center point. So I'm going to select this segment and select A for my center. And then I'm going to select this segment and select point C. Okay, once you do that, we can put 2 points where the two circles or the two arcs intersect and then draw a line through them. So go back to the point tool, and we're going to put a point there and a point there, and then I just want to draw a line that goes through those 2 points. Okay, and then what you can do to clean it up is you remove the two conics. Okay, and let's go to the second part. So we go back to our compass tool. Okay, let's select Okay, hold on. Let's try this again. Okay. Go to compass. Select that. I'm going to select B. Select that one. Select B. Okay. Let's get rid of that one. And again, create 2 points where those two intersect. And then I just want to draw a line that goes through point J and point K. And clean this up a bit. In fact, we can remove, let's see, actually remove quite a bit of the things here, just make it a little bit easier to read. Okay, now that we have these two here, these are the two lines that are the perpendicular bisectors of these two sides. This is going to be the center of our triangle. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is put a point there. Okay, get rid of those two lines, and we can just create a circle, okay, with or circle with center through point. Okay, so we're going to select the center point, which was our point L, and select a point on the circumference, which is C, and you see that it created a circle that perfectly encapsulates or circumscribes our triangle ABC. Okay, so if you're doing this by hand, just create two perpendicular bisectors. Okay, and then just find the intersection of those lines, and then set your compass so that your needle is on the intersection of the two lines. Put your lead on one of the points, and if you operate the compass correctly, it should go through all 3 points. Alright, thank you.